$33 keeper, mate.
Oh, it's a keeper.
Yeah. Give me a big one for you.
Yeah.
He lost his claw.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he's still.
Oh, we still got it.
Yeah, we still got it.
Yeah, get that shit out.
Fuck, I nearly lost it.
Another one. Right, chop. Take that, you bastard. Good, but we're at number 6 though.
We're on 6.
On 6. 2 fish. How many squid?
4 squid.
4 squid. Sweet. Look at this mama. All the babies.
Hello. Why did you catch me for? Can you put me back at sea?
Show me.
Underneath here,
Yeah.
all the way back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still a bit warm, but put your thumb in here
Yeah. Pull that all off.
and I'll pull these off.
Yep.
And then grab your thumb and just scrape all the feathers.
Yep.
And then put it in the bucket with a bit of salt water and clean it out.
And that's it. Before we go, take the rest off.